How to screen record on your computer for free. Hi everyone, I'm here to assist you today. Without any delay, let's jump right in. First, open Google and search Active Presenter Download, which will lead you to this page. In here, simply press on Download. If it's your Mac, you can download Mac version. If it's your Windows, you can download the Windows version. After you've installed everything, when you open the app, you'll find this kind of screen. On the left side, click on Record Video, which is the second option. Then, this kind of screen will pop up. You'll find different options. If you click on Full Screen, your full screen will be recorded. And if you click on Custom and move the box, only that area will be recorded. And if you want to turn on your webcam, you can by clicking on Webcam. Also, you can turn on and off your mic by pressing on Audio Off. Then press on Record. After that, it will start with 3 seconds timer. And as you can see, to stop, you can press on Ctrl+N and it will stop. Then lead you to this page. Here, you can edit anything you want to trim. And this is how to screen record on your computer for free. Thank you for joining me today. If this video helps you out, please leave a like and subscribe for more. Got a question or want to suggest a topic? Comment below. Thank you for watching.